Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Pat at Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for their support. New subscribers, returning subscribers, viewers. Really appreciate the support on my channel, and yeah, I see just trying to catch up with some of the work that I was done on the weekend with the 48-hour group build. A lot of videos to see, so I'm just trying to get through some of the finals, so I won't, at least I'll get to see some of the finals. There's just way too many videos while I was at work. Anyways, hope everyone had fun with it. I know I had fun last year. It was a ton of fun. And yeah, so today gonna do a quick shop card shout out, and also another shout out for so I'll leave links in the description for these channel. Well, I only have one shop card, but I just wanted to do a shout out as well to Dirt Road Cinderella. She's joined the off-road group build, and I really appreciate that. She's currently got like 70 some subscribers, so I'll post a quick picture of her channel here, also leave a link, so let's show her some support, and hopefully she can get some new subscribers. So go on over, check her out, and let's show her some love. So I'm going to get this turned around. Oh, the other thing I also got a package in from Iceman Collections. Got a whole bunch of engines. So I seen in the July newsletter he had a deal on engines. It was buy 5, get the 6th one free. And my wife always told me, if you get a deal, go for it, right? So she's going to be proud of me for this one. So yeah, anyways, I got the deal. Got a bunch of other parts. We'll have a look at that, and we'll review some of these engines, I guess, and look at some of the other detailing parts that I got. So if you want to stick around and see that, please do. And so I'll get you flipped around. We'll have a look at the shop card, and yeah. Okay, here we go. So Frank over at Frizzo's Model Cars, we did the shop card swap, so I want to thank Frank for doing the swap with me. So he sent me 2 cards. So the one card, which is really cool, appreciate the kind words on the back, and then he's got kind of a channel description or whatever on the back of this one, which I really think is cool. I really like that, so good job, Frank, on that one. Give me some ideas for maybe my next round of shop cards. So go over, check out Frank if you've never seen his channel, for those model cars. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. I've watched a couple of his model cars and coffee, showcasing some of his builds, and just awesome builds. So go on over, check him out, and yeah, you definitely won't be disappointed there. So again, Frank, I appreciate the card swap, and of course, continued prayers for you and your journey that you're going through. And yeah. Also, I wanted to say, if you want a shop card from me, I still have a few left. this first round. So get a hold of me. I think I have a couple different ones, or maybe not. Yeah, I think I only have one cougar left. But anyways, get a hold of me. My email is in the description as well. So if you want a shop card or do a swap, channel or not, drop me a line. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly pause this and we're going to take a look at some awesome parts from Iceman Collections. Okay, we're back and we are going to look at some engines. This is a Chevy LT4 supercharged. Comes with belt. As you can see, the detail is awesome. No surprise there. Looks really good. Look at the detail on this supercharger there. Heads look awesome. Look at that detail. Super nice. Look at that block. Really awesome stuff, of course, from Joel. So there's, and then I got two of these Chevy 327s. This is the one I was really after. This comes with belt material as well. So this is one of the newer engines, I think, in June. Could be wrong, but anyways, so I needed a 327 for my Chevelle build that I'm currently working on. So I got this. Looks really, really, really nice. There's the carb. Look at the detail on that. Yeah, everything looks just spectacular. Even this distributor looks so cool. Just all the detail on these engines are phenomenal. So that's nice. I got two of these. I have another project down the road that I'm gonna need a 327. So I decided to get two of those. So that's the one I got for free. And then this one's the vintage blown big block Chevy. Comes with belt material as well. That carb detail. Those massive headers. Super nice. Definitely can't go wrong with Joel's stuff. And excited for this. Oop. So there's that. Then we have a Hemi twin carb street engine. This thing is wild as well. It's going to build up really nice. So this will be cool, cool for a drag car / street car. Super awesome. Awesome stuff. Oh, and then this is the other one I really wanted, was the Buick Nailhead. So this one I think comes with 3 intakes. So we got these two here, and then this one here, which is awesome. So even if you don't use this, you'll have some extra parts there. fender well headers. Yeah, that's really nice. Even the distributor. I was gonna say drilled out, but it's got the holes for to do the wiring, which is awesome. And then I also ordered a couple sets of big block Chevy headers. So I got couple builds that I'm gonna hopefully use these in. A couple big block Mickey Thompson valve covers. These are sweet. And then some gauges, tack. And then I bought a bunch of MSD parts. So these, when you order these, you can pick which type you want. So I ordered all MSD stuff. Coils and ignition. And then I also ordered a couple of these Pro Billet distributors. So those are awesome too. Just awesome stuff. And then of course a couple fuel regulators. And then the last thing I ordered was these. I want to try these out, plug boots. So these will go right onto the distributor. So it gives you 11 of them, so you can lose 2. Or if you order enough, you can have enough for another engine. So I'll have 2, 4, only 6. Should have ordered 2 more. I would have had enough for another engine. Like I said, the wife likes deals, and I gotta let her know I'm doing the right thing here. So yeah, that's it. I'm really excited for this 327. This is awesome. I can't wait to put this in my Chevelle, the non-SS Chevelle 66. This is going to be cool. Really excited. Love all the detail, Iceman stuff. So I think, I don't know, I can't remember what the date is today, but anyways, the engine deal thing goes until July 24th, I believe. So head on over and get yourself a deal if you're looking for some engines. But thanks to Joel, thanks to all my subscribers, viewers. Appreciate all you guys, and talk to you all soon. Pat out, model on. Thank you. Thank you very much.